Hi, everybody. This is Trish from Crazy Indian Treasures, and guess what came in? My yarn. My yarn. Look, look, it came in a box. Look at that. Let's open it up. See what we got. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. Oh. Okay, right on top, I see the stuff I ordered for my son's sweater. Aspen in the colorway Fireside. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, he wanted red, and that's a red, but it's a dark red, but it's so nice. Okay, so that came in. Yay! Oh my! Oh, and one extra ball, and it wasn't in the bag. And oh, this is nice. This is nice. Yay! And it's center pole. Oh, thank you. I love center pole. I mean, seriously, I love center pole. You'll have to excuse my voice. I caught a cold, so I'm coughing a lot today. But there's Aspen in the colorway Fireside. It is machine washable and dryable. Wash using gentle cycle for 2 minutes. Tumble dry using low heat for a maximum of 5 minutes. Remove and lay flat to dry. Do not dry clean. Okay. I'm not going to do all of that because I don't. I just wash it and I dry it. And I always wash things on cold anyway. And my dryer is set to medium, not the highest heat. I don't dry anything on a high heat. It's just me. So everything gets dried on medium heat. And I think this will be fine. It is doo made in Turkey. It's approximately 130 yards or 120 meters. It's 100% acrylic. That's what I was looking for. It's gonna be fine in the washer and dryer. Okay, so that's my son's sweater. I get started on that. I've been waiting for that. And this is my receipt. And I paid just under $105 for everything. And that is Ontario tax. Why did I pay Ontario tax? It should say Saskatchewan tax. I know I bought it from a store in Ontario. Well, maybe. Okay, I trust you guys. You guys have never steered me wrong. So I got a yarn surprise box. Which was a surprise? Not to me. Somebody else. Oh my goodness, look at that. Ooh, I got a tote bag. Look at that. Oh, right on. Okay, so, ooh, Mellow Spud. I don't have any Mellow Spud, and I've never tried Mellow Spud. So there's a box for the cat to play in. Hopefully not yet, because that's where the yarn will go until I put it back in its box. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls of this Ultra Mellow Spun DK. It is soft. Nice. Approximately 174 yards or 160 meters. 70% acrylic, 30% nylon, made in Turkey. It is a light 3. And it's really soft. I don't know what I'll use it for. Yellow's not my favorite color, but it's beautiful yarn. Mary Maxim Best Value. Oh, this is nice stuff too. I am surprised. Didn't expect it to be so soft, but it is. It's soft, it's silky. So, Mary Maxim Best Value. This is a 6-ounce ball, and it has 342 yards or 313 meters. And this color is classic blue. And I've got two of them. So yeah, I got two of them. They're both the same color, right? Classic blue, classic blue. Yes, still both are the same color. Yeah, there you go. Okay, what else did I get? Oh, I got one of these. Lane Fave Socks Yarn by Love. Sorry for the shaking. Let me try that. That's better. This is for best results, wash in warm water. Do not bleach. Lay flat to dry. That's nice. It's a 1, which is sock yarn. But what are you? You're 100 grams, 75% washable wool, and 25% nylon. Okay, so it is a wool nylon mix. I can feel the wool in that. But I'm gonna try and make some socks. My box still, you stay away from it, cat. Sorry. Solstice wants the box, and he can't have it yet. That's where the yarn is going. Oh, this stuff is nice. So this is Bon Bon Classic. Machine washable, 100% acrylic, 200 meters. Oops, I just ripped that label in part. Well, I didn't. It just, the glue let go. At the same exact moment, my thumb touched it. Seriously, that's all it did. So, yeah. But it doesn't tell me what it is. Huh. But anyway, it's nice yarn. It's soft. It's from Nako. It's 100% acrylic. Say that's a 4. And I got two of them. And I don't know what the color is because it just has numbers. So, two of them. Oops. Burnt umber. I got another tote. That's cool. Oh, I got some patterns. I still have yarn. Shall I finish with the yarn before we go through the patterns? Look at that. I got stuffs in this bag. Cool. Cool beans. Okay, let's finish with the yarn. Oh, this stuff is nice. Easy Knit Overjoyed yarn. It's very silky. Got a halo. It is 4.23 ounces or 120 grams, 157 yards or 144 meters. It's 100% acrylic. The color is silver. I like that color. It is made in China. Excuse me. It is a 6 bulky. There we go. That's what I was looking for. And they're probably counting a 6 bulky because of the halo, which I don't know if you can see. So, kind of just, it's not a very hairy halo. So, but whatever. Beautiful color. Very soft and silky. So, quite happy with this. Oh. And then this is Love's Gentle Joy Baby Blanket. 200 grams, 200 meters. Easy knit. Color is white. Machine wash in warm water using gentle cycle. Do not bleach. For best results, hand wash, lay flat to dry. Now, here's a question for all of you manufacturers of yarn out there. Why would you make a baby yarn that you have to hand wash? Do you know how busy mothers are with new babies? They do not have time to hand wash. Stop that. Okay, I'm done. That's my rant. It's 100% polyester. So it's very fuzzy. I'll have to see what I make from that. And then the last ball we have is Mary Maxim Maximum Value. Now this is an ombre. This is their denim variegated. And I have to say, it's rough. Like, I'm not impressed. And I use Maximum Value. Like, I have some solid colors. I don't have any variegated colors. I have some solid colors upstairs in my craft room. And I'm actually making a Afghan out of it. And I've made various things out of Mary Maxim Maximum Value because it's such a nice yarn. But this, I have to say, is not as nice. It's scratchy. But I'll find something for it. I'm sure it'll soften up in the wash. Everything tends to. It's over 450 yards. It's 8 ounces. It's a medium 4. Machine washable and dryable. Again, gentle, delicate cycle, 2 minutes. Some will dry using low heat, maximum 5 minutes. Blah, 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 blah. I will not be doing that. I will be tossing it in the wash. In cold, but in the wash. And it is approximately 474 yards or 445 meters, and it is 100% acrylic, and it is made in Turkey. Yeah. What does anybody know about this stuff? Is it always like this? Like, not up to the standards of the solids? Just asking. But that's what I got. That's my that was my yarn order that I got today. So I think that's awesome. So this is a pattern for Blooms for Baby blanket. Very pretty blanket. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's absolutely gorgeous. And then the other one I got is a luxurious cabled throw. Oh. And it's a knitting thing. Knit. This other one is I'd have to say crochet. Yeah, crochet. So crochet pattern, knit pattern. And since I don't knit, and I can't see me possibly learning in the next year or 2 or 3 or 4 or ever, not saying I won't, just saying I might not, and I'm not going to stress over it. Maybe I'll add this to a giveaway in the future. Yeah, we'll see. So that's what I got today, guys. I hope you are having an awesome weekend. It's Friday today. Woohoo! February 2nd. I don't know. Happy Groundhog Day. I don't know what your groundhog or chicken or lobster, because yes, there's one out there that's a lobster, said about the upcoming spring, but I was going to say what ours said, but I can't remember what ours said anyway. So it's not like it really matters. spring will come when spring comes and not a moment sooner. And all I can say is right now it's like 0 degrees outside. It's beautiful out. The heater downstairs isn't even running right now. It shut itself off. And it's awesome. It's awesome. I love this weather. I really, really do. All the snow is melting. Everything is sloppy. My dogs, oh my goodness, they're so dirty, but I refuse to wash them yet because they're just going to get dirty again right now because everything's sloppy. So, plus, right now, I don't feel like it. Excuse me. I'm just not up to that. And yeah, I would go for a nap, but I don't really do naps unless I'm next to death's door. So, we'll see. But I don't feel like a nap. I think I'm going to game. I don't feel like crocheting. Anything that I have to think about, uh, I don't want to do. So I'm going to sit here. I'm going to game on my laptop. I'm going to relax. And if I feel like it later, I'm going to take a nap. But I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Have a great weekend. And I will see you tomorrow night, Saturday night, 7 o'clock Central Standard Time for my live. So, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay? Bye.